Then we're going to just rake all this guts and stuff out. And come up here and get the gills out. Welcome back to Hunt.US, folks. We're out at one of our local streams today in the National Forest, and we are going to catch us some dinner. See if we can't get us a few rainbow trout. So you guys stay with us and we'll see what happens. Got a little good hole right here. We'll throw this crawdad on here and see if I don't do the trick for us. Oh yeah, got me one now, boys. Good looking one too. Beautiful looking little rainbow there. Gonna get some water in my bucket here, and we're gonna keep a few of these and have some dinner here in a little bit. Thank you, Lord. See if we can't get us a few more to go with him. Get this onion chopped up, get a tater chopped up. Alright, while it's cooking, we're going to clean this fish. Alright, so clean this. We're going to make an incision right here. And go all the way to the vent. Alright, then we're going to just rake all this guts and stuff out. And come up here and get the gills out. Then that blood line back there is where the filtration, like kind of like the kidneys. And so we're going to cut all of it out of there. And just use a hand, some creek water. Alright, we got this fish cleaned. We're just going to scrape it now. Get any of those scales off there. Cut my hand. Alright, you can see, got all the scales off there now. We're going to wash it off with some clean water. Some Buffalo Frank's Red hot sauce. Going to be what we use for the binder. Give it a good stirring around. Get some on the inside too. Once we got that, got some fish fry. Gonna get us a good healthy coating of that on there. Make sure we're getting some on the inside there. Alright, potatoes and onions are done. A little more than that. Let that heat up, and then we're going to fry this trout. I'd say this is ready now. So we'll throw this trout in here. Good stuff right there, boys. I believe she's done. Didn't really get a good consistency because I didn't get a good coating on my batter. I forgot to bring a plastic bag with me, so I just kind of had to do the best I could. But I'm sure she's going to eat fine. Oh no! Dadgummit. Well, if that just don't piss me off. Daggum, boys. Hope you enjoyed this video. It did not end as planned. I was pretty ticked off that my fish fell on the ground before I even got to eat about half of it. But we had a good time. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content related to this, make sure that you check out the video up here.